Connectors of cause and consequence. What is a connector? A connector is a word that joins sentences, phrases, or words. Here we have 4 examples of connectors of cause. Since, because of, as. Since, its meaning is because, and it expresses a known cause. For example, since Monday is a holiday, we don't have to go to work. Because, it is used to express expected results. For example, because he was sleeping, we went to bed. Pay attention here because is followed by a subject, a verb, and a complement. Because of. This is a phrasal preposition and it is followed by a noun object. Because of the cold weather, we stayed home. Cold is an adjective and weather is the noun. Here we don't have any subject, any verb, or any complement. The last connector of cause is as. It expresses a reason. For example, I can't give you this dictionary as it is the only one that I have. What about connectors of consequence? In this case, we only have 2 and both express a result. For example, the prisoners had a secret radio so that they could receive messages from the outside. Or the weather was nice, so we went to the beach. It is very important to pay attention to the commas that accompany or are going to before the connector. Now, let's practice.